Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have this smart watch we're gonna have a look at, and I would say we just get this package cracked open, and then we're gonna have a look. Yeah, I don't know what's with the quality of the video. It's kind of odd today. Oh well, we will do what we can. So let's check what's happening. Get this open. And we got the pink version, I think. Yep. And this is what it looks like. And now there's our little cable. Um, yep. Basic. We will need that later on, probably to activate the watch. There's some manuals, whatever. Throw them to the side. Have a look at the watch. This is what it looks like. Normal display, like the finish on the sides. Pretty metallic pinkish look, so that's kind of cool. And then some soft parts for the sides so your arm doesn't get hurt. And let's see if it's loaded. Guess it's not, so I will throw that on. Okay, now we're in the app. Have a look here. We're searching for the device. It's already up here, and then we can connect with it, and we're just gonna hit, hey, this is ours. Now it's showing us on the watch if we want to connect to this phone. So we're gonna do that, and now you have to do all these settings here. We're just gonna skip. We just want to see the basics. We're gonna get it going. Verifit is the app that you're gonna use, and then you're gonna choose a country. Let's, I don't know, whatever. Let's go for Germany, I guess, because that's what we've been doing on this channel for forever now. Maybe there's Berlin. Oh, it's not, so we go Deutschland. Now you enter your gender, your birthday, your height, and your weight. We just add random facts here. Then we hit ready, and we won't set up an account. We can do that later. And then also there's an extra function here. That's kind of exciting. But we are gonna skip all that. But it's definitely a little something to know about that there's this function, because it's pretty cool in my opinion. Not a lot of smartwatches do have the support here. Um, and sure. And then we're gonna stick to this language. Consist. And here we go. This is what this whole thing looks like. And here's all the features. I'll record all. And then when you're in here, you have the overview, as I said. And let's see, I could try to get some information from the watch in here, but I don't think it's gonna be that fast, so we probably can't have a look right now. Yeah, see there, it's just telling us there's no information yet, because I just put the watch on, so I don't know. But in general, you can have an idea. There's like an overview of activity and heart rate and all that, and then there's also different backgrounds. Some of them apparently cost some money, which is interesting. Some of them are for free. I don't know why you would spend so much money on a background, but you could. and then there's like TikTok styles and all that. So it's whatever. Um, you can play around with that, find what you prefer, and I would say we just send one background over to our watch and then have a look later what that's all about. And I don't know why the support is just popping up there in the map. But yeah, all in all, definitely um, decent selection here, what you can choose from. And let's see, is there anything else? Okay, there's our information we put in before. So that's something. Um, yeah, I guess that's what you can expect from this watch. So here's the watch in person now. This is how it fits. And this is the plating what we choose or that we have chosen. There's some calories and steps integrated, just minimalistic. And then also you got activities, phone. There's a AI voice. Um, then let's see what else we have. There's Alexa, as I said. That's cool. And all these other facts you can check. Sleep mode, heart, all that. Um, we can just check that once and see what that's about. That might take a little bit, but that's okay. We got time. So 78, 82. I mean, it's not the best, right? But it's not too bad, I guess, for our main pulse. Um, let's see. Our oxygen level, 97%. That's something we can work with, I guess. And yeah, I mean, that's all I can show you probably. There's Alexa hidden here, then there's all these where you can just slide through them. Sleep mode, and music, and all that. You can see when you called someone. Okay, we're not connected to Alexa, obviously. But yeah, that's this watch. Definitely a good one, and I would say see you next time.